Okay, vitamin D pills, bicycle, tiki. What is even happening? Am I supposed to be doing this? I've never even left the country. What if they make up new nursery rhymes about me? Like, country American boy, where are your hogs? You think they'll let me live in a windmill? What if I say something stupid? I'm going to say something stupid. This is not where they filmed Lord of the Rings. My name is Ren, and I'm moving to the Netherlands. That's crazy. I've never even been out of the country. And I'm moving in like 2 months. It's all happening so fast. And it's not just me. I have a 2-year-old son. I have my wife. I have my small dog. This is a big deal for us. It's not something that I really ever expected to be able to happen. At least for, 3-4 years of working at it. At least. But I've been lucky, I guess. And I'm very thankful. I have accepted a position with a company in the Netherlands that has agreed to do the visa sponsorship for a highly skilled worker. I don't think I'm that, but they do. So we're just going to roll with it, man. I started applying for jobs in November.
The Associated Press has called the presidency.
I don't have a degree. I've been in the IT industry for 13 years now, so I've got experience, but I don't have a degree, and I do require sponsorship. But it's all just a really exciting thing. We've been interested in moving over to Europe. We've been interested in it for a while, and we've just not really put a lot of effort into it until recently. On that note, I want to, in the next video, share with you kind of how I went about this. What tools I used and created, what my decisions were to make myself stand out a little bit more, kind of how all the interview process went, like what all the paperwork looks like for all of this, so that maybe you can do the same. It happens. So don't give up hope. This is something you can do too. If you want to see more about that and you're interested in learning how you might do it too, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. This is a brand new channel and I'm trying to document the whole journey that is going to be moving over from the US to the Netherlands, and that process as a person that has no idea what they're doing. But I will do my best and I'm very excited about it. I've started to do my research. But that can only go so far. You got to actually do the thing. So I'm just kind of jumping off the diving board, the 60-foot one, and hoping that I land not on my belly. Although there is some cushion there. We're going to work on that in Europe. I hope the snacks are good. But, as many may know, there is currently a housing crisis basically everywhere, but, especially in the Netherlands right now. I'm going to be adding to that. Sorry. But I hope that I can come over and integrate, become a valuable part of the country and not just, hey, another American here to American it up. I want to learn the language. I want to volunteer. I want to be a part of what makes the Netherlands great and why so many people want to be there. My wife, on the other hand, she has been to Europe. She's traveled when she was in her teenage years. She got to travel quite a bit over Europe and is very, very excited to return. I don't think she expected that it was going to be not a vacation, but instead, hey, uproot your life and come with me. Let me take you on a journey. But she's here for it, man. And we've got our son. He's 2 years old. I think this is a fantastic time to take him over with us. I'm excited to give him this opportunity. I think it's going to be fantastic. All the things that he's going to get to explore and learn and see and not be involved in schools training at 5 years old. That's a big one, but I'm beyond excited and so very thankful. I'm genuinely going to try and do my best with just everything, just giving it a go. If I think back and like all of the things that had to go right, all the little cogs and twists and dials that had to be turned in just the right order for us to be going and doing this, I think I would always regret not at least trying. We just have to go. We're so excited about it and we just have to try it. And if you live in the Netherlands or you've been there or you're in Europe, like something about the Netherlands or just Europe in general and you think I should know it, please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. This is something that I cannot get enough information about to kind of prepare our family for. So please, I would genuinely appreciate that. I also recently got into flying drones. That's cool. It's very fun. You should check that out. You can definitely expect me to be like going out to the Italian and Swiss Alps and like flying my little drone up in the gorgeous mountains. So if you think any of this will be interesting, you want to see our successes, our failures, all the things that we get to explore, all the things that we get to experience, you know, please hang around with us. I'll do my best to show you all of the real view of this, you know, not cutting out the things that went south, just the real picture of these are the struggles, these are the triumphs. If you are somebody that might be able to apply for that, you know, skilled worker visa, please check out the next video. That one's going to be totally about, you know, the process that I went through and how you might do that too. So thank you guys so much. I hope this is the beginning of something that's life-changing. It is something that is life-changing. I'm so excited to share it with you. Thank you. And if you live in the Netherlands,